Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the Amex Gold Card Dining Credit. This valuable benefit offers card members up to $10 in statement credits each month, totaling up to $120 annually. To maximize this perk, it's crucial to understand which dining partners are eligible and how to properly enroll. We'll cover the specifics of how this credit works, ensuring you can easily take advantage of these savings on your everyday dining expenses. Let's dive into the details. The Amex Gold Dining Credit can be used at several popular establishments. You can enjoy $10 back each month when ordering through Grubhub or Seamless, perfect for your favorite local restaurants. Additionally, the Cheesecake Factory, Goldbelly, and Wine.com are included, offering diverse options from gourmet food delivery to fine wines. Remember to add the offer to your card before making a purchase to ensure the credit is applied seamlessly. This makes it easy to save on a variety of dining experiences. To get the most out of your Amex Gold Dining Credit, strategic planning is key. Aim to spend at least $10 with an eligible partner each month to fully utilize the benefit. You can also purchase gift cards from participating merchants, allowing you to save the credit for future use or combine it with other promotions. Setting a monthly reminder can help ensure you never miss out on these valuable savings. This approach helps you consistently enjoy the full $120 in annual credits. Before using your Amex Gold Dining Credit, there are a few important points to remember. The credit is applied as a statement credit, meaning you pay upfront and then receive $10 back on your statement. Crucially, any unused credit from one month does not carry over to the next, so it's a use it or lose it benefit. Always double-check the current list of eligible partners and ensure your card is properly linked to avoid any missed savings. Staying informed helps you maximize this excellent perk.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.